realtors, they don't take action because they're like, I don't know how to finish, how to be different from my competition. So I'm gonna give you the solution. What you're gonna do is you're gonna sit down, grab pen and paper, and you're gonna tell to yourself what expertise I'm gonna highlight in social media. I'm gonna go for new construction homes. I'm gonna go about neighborhood search. I'm gonna go about market reports, and every day I'm gonna give a good news about real estate market, or I'm gonna tell the news about the real estate market in a funny way. Like, what's gonna be the expertise that you're gonna highlight? How you're gonna expose yourself and present yourself to sellers and buyers out there? What steps you're gonna take? So the most important thing is what area you're gonna work. Are you gonna do buyers and sellers? Are you gonna do only sellers? What market, what area, what reports you're gonna give? What information for you is gonna be the most impactful in people's life? What you're gonna do? What it's gonna be about? So after you decide what's gonna be the expertise and the skill that you're gonna highlight, then you're gonna work around that.